Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to fetch all the sales order via Node.js API using the Zoho CRM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So very simple code that I'm going to use it. So let's go to the code base and let's comment this and let's add it over here and call this function over there, and here we go with this. Here we have to just change with our domain and the sales order. That's it. Let's have a look because I have only one sales order. Okay, so because in the last we have created one, so it will fetch only one. So let's have a look, and here we can see that the same name, I think supposed to be this one, owner, right? So here we go with our name. I think it's coming over here because it's description, the last we have created, right? And the account name that is attached with this, okay, and terms and which we have added. So here you can see, right? So this is how you are able to fetch the sales order using the Node.js API. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.